Look at that crack. What a beauty. We're good? Oh. Death defying. Yep, good.
Holy smokes. Through the cave. Oh my god. What an absolutely stellar start for Canyon season 2024. Oh my god, that was intense. New England canyoning does not get better than this. So epic, so big. Wow. A solid 60-metre abseil through this insane crack behind a chockstone. Wow, it doesn't get any better than this. Yeah. Wow. Did you like that? That's pretty awesome, isn't it? It was cool, but amazing. Wow, man. That is beautiful. What a crack. Another keyhole drop like Bangalore. With a perfect amount of water too. Wow. There's a little wedgy one in there, it's pretty tight, but it's only small. And yeah, there might be something over here. It's further down than it looks, isn't it? We'll take it. There's probably, I don't know, 20 metres left on that 80, so that top one's about 60. What do you reckon? 30? Yeah, nice and deep. Could actually just come off that one even. Little room with a view. Bye bye, beautiful spot. We'll be back. Looking through everywhere. How did I even get here? Amazing.
Yeah, I'm glad I have this wetsuit. Oh yeah.
That is sharp. That edge, amazing. Oh, cold. Air is so cold. The rocks have been trying to take you out. No wonder you've stood a boulder for them now. Ah, so good. Cool grass. This is bloody steep.
No, it's no good. Better off going that way. Holy smokes. It's quite steep.
It's like a grade 13, mate.
Grade 13. No one's on belay though.
Really? Does it make it harder or easier?
You just have to believe in the Lamandra.
Yeah. That's your belay.
Pretty strong.
Yeah, it's in there. Man, that was beautiful.
So that was 4 Mile Creek. We're out near Hillgrove on the edge of the Oxley Wild Rivers National Park. This amazing granite crack just drops way down into the valley. It's just a tremendous, massive, epic canyon. It's the season opener, spring 2024. Doesn't get any better than this. Dan's over there hauling up 80 metres of rope behind a chock stone through the biggest crack. The rope's moving so far. The tail pop up behind that rock stone. Oh, got the tail, got that rope back.